Hello, Mike Archer here to present my Mod 3 project for Flatiron School, FlipCard. FlipCard is a full-stack web application utilizing Ruby on Rails for the backend and JavaScript for the front end. All of the styling is done using custom CSS, animation done using sprite animations. So when a user logs in, we're prompted with the rules of the game. Once we click Start Game, the game will begin. The whole goal of FlipCard is to be a matching game. So you'll see our game board is displayed in the first phase. Once this phase ends, we actually have our movable character who you can navigate using the arrow keys to the correct answer. The goal is to match the tile that you're standing on to the tile in the upper right-hand corner. With every correct answer, we have correct animations for our character, as well as a score increment and a streak increment. If a user is able to achieve a streak of up to 3, there's also a dancing animation and multipliers that will begin to tick in to affect their score. As far as the game board itself, on our back end, we have multiple sets that will render. This creates a little bit more of a complicated game mechanic, as well as increases the difficulty so that a user is not able to just memorize where pictures are. As far as the movable character, the correct and incorrect answers are judged based on collision detection. And once we get 3 correct answers, again, you'll see our banana man over on the side triggered from there. A round will end once the user gets 3 incorrect answers. With the collision detection, we were able to write the code so that if your character is not at least halfway on the correct answer, you will not get a correct. As you can see, when the round ended, we were not all the way to that top right-hand corner box. Therefore, we were given a strike. You'll see our streak goes away, and we're added 1 to the strikes. All of the animations for the movement of the character were done using sprite animation and CSS keyframes. The inspiration behind this game was adopted from Fall Guys, a very popular game. This was both myself and my partner Ian Robertson's first attempt at making any kind of game mechanics. Definitely a great challenge, but it was very fun to implement. So as you can see here, we have 2 strikes. So we have 1 more round that we can get incorrect before we're kicked out of the game and it is ended. All right, so now that we have 3 incorrect answers, you'll see game over, we have been juiced. Our system is going to render the top 10 scores similar to a normal arcade. So the top 10 scores that have been achieved. And then if you select try again, it will bring you back to the home screen. Thank you so much for your time.